which is their new trash bag, or the garbage bag rather, for the Tesla Model 3, Model Y. This is really cool. If you're on the go constantly, or if you have kids and you constantly have miscellaneous trash like I do, it's nice to be able to just reach behind you, open the bag, and put it in. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that comes in the box. I'm going to show you how to put it in, and I'm going to show you how it works. So it's really simple. Included in the box, you'll see the very attractive BASENOR garbage bag, which has an LED light in it, which is super cool. So it'll provide a little bit of light when you open it up, and you can kind of see what you're doing if it's dark, because it's always dark in the back seat in my car. And it also comes with like a refill of garbage bags, which is great. Probably a lifetime supply, because you're not going to be going through these that fast. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Installation is a breeze. I'm going to show you how that works. There's basically 2 clips on either side, and those clips are just going to hook right into your the back pocket of your front seat, whichever one you decide to use, driver side, passenger side. And what I really like about it is you're not going to lose the use of that pocket. I mean, that pocket's not going to hold much anyway, so you might as well put a garbage bag on it. That's great. You can there's still a little bit of room, you can fit stuff behind it. In addition to that, you'll notice just how easy it is to open the bag, and of course it has kind of some self-closing clasps. And then to put the garbage bag in, there are some little kind of clips on either side. There are four in total, so that way it'll get a good grip on the garbage bag that you put in there. So you just kind of want to get a grip at 4 corners of the bag, stretch it out, and you're good to go. Throw your refuse in the bag and forget about it. I mean, until it's time to throw it away. So for me, it works out really great. I like to go to Starbucks a lot and get breakfast, because like I'm on the go. So sometimes I have these little Starbucks bags, and this is perfect for that. I can just toss those in there and keep the car a lot cleaner. So I really appreciate it. Huge thank you to BASENOR for sending this to me. It's automatically just like an amazing upgrade for my car. You'll also notice the BASENOR floor mats that I'm using.